Hello and welcome back to freeCodeCamp's responsive web design. We're on step 9. It says you're getting the hang of it. Next, add another H3 element at the bottom of the editor with the text Introduction to CSS. If you guys have been watching the series so far, you know that we've talked about HTML and how it structures our web page by giving it like the headings and the paragraphs, and then the headings can have different levels, like H1 is the main one, H2 are subheadings, H3 are like subheadings of H2s. So right now we're working on adding, we have the main welcome to free code camp is the title of the page. Then we have the H2 which is full stack curriculum. And then after that we are naming different parts of the curriculum. The H3, the first H3 is introduction to HTML. The next H3 is going to be introduction to CSS. So here we add that and we see it show up here. And again, I'm sure in the next one they'll give us a paragraph to put under for the introduction to CSS. But here we're just seeing the way that we can structure our web page based on the information we're giving it. We have the main heading, we have a subheading, and then sections of that subheading are further represented using the H3. And if within an H3 we had sections that we want to place in there, then we would use an H4 to represent subsections within the H3. I'm not sure if we'll do that coming up, but just throwing that out there. If we run this, we should pass it, and we do. If that's making sense, then you're getting it so far. I'm sure once it's all done, it'll all tie together, and I'll explain it all once we get there to make sure it makes sense. I'll see you in the next lesson.